Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I will tell you the ways to become a first-class programmer. First, who is programmer? Programmers write code for computer programs, web applications, and mobile applications. They also are involved in maintaining, debugging, and troubleshooting systems and software to ensure that everything is running smoothly. Well, let's go for a way to strengthen your programmer. 1. Keep yourself updated. Programming is a science or work that you need to be up to date. These days, every time we pass a new library or features, which helps you in programming and your work. Companies that work in the field of programming, such as Microsoft or Google, are always updating, and you should be aware of the news they post on social network. 2. Coding, and coding. You only realize your weaknesses by coding. When you realize your weaknesses, you have to go back and work on them so that they become one of your strengths. Likewise, when you code, it creates challenges that can challenge you, and these challenges help you become stronger in coding. 3. Read people's codes. One of my suggestions for you is to read someone else's code. See how he fixed the problems. Ask yourself, if I were in that person's place, how would I have done the mistake, and put yourself in her or his place. I will explain to you the best places to read the code. Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow has billions of code that you can go and read. Website source code. The source code of website is one of the best places to see the code. GitHub. GitHub is one of the sites where other programmers put their project sources. You can go and see the source code. Reddit have coding resources. 4. Interact with other developers. When you interact with other programmers, you can ask that programmer questions that you couldn't answer. And if that programmer had a question that you didn't know, your knowledge will increases by doing research, and you will have given the programmer an answer. Else, join groups that talk about programming. When many programmers join, this helps you to help each other in programming. 5. Reading books. By reading the book, you will benefit from techniques that will help you apply this technique in programming. In addition to technique, your knowledge increases. One of the books I like is about writing clean code, which I link to in the description. This book teaches you how to write clean code, which is great. 6. Always be learning. Learning in programming is very important. As mentioned before, programming is an almost new science, and things are added to this science every day. If you don't dedicate yourself to learning, you will fall behind like Nokia, when the world was changing but Nokia didn't want to change. And at the end of the video, I want to tell you that in order to be successful in programming, you must have a lot of perseverance and be sure that you will get results. Programming is not something you get strong overnight or in a short period of time. You have to spend time to get strong little by little.